I always say that the decision precedes the discipline. We have a lot of guys that are pursuing discipline, right? You're pursuing, I'm going to go work for it. I'm going to work out. This week's going to be different. It's Monday. I'm going to stick with my diet. I'm going to hit the gym, or now I'm going to stop cold turkey, whatever it is that you're trying to do. But they haven't really made that decision. That always precedes discipline. And then you have to take responsibility. You have to get to the point where you can own it and stop blaming someone else. Well, it's my wife's fault. I don't get what I need, so I have to do this. Or I'm looking for an escape because you don't know the pressure I'm under. And so that's just so foundational what you're sharing. It's so fundamental, yet guys run away from this because we've become a victim culture.
Yeah, and I think maybe
And
maybe one more thing that I can add here that can kind of help in some of the discipline, because I'm a believer that discipline is choosing what you want most over what you want right now. Most men going into this journey, like, they don't actually even know what it is they're trying to accomplish. They think they're trying to quit porn, and that's not the issue. Like, porn is not your problem. And now I'm getting into kind of like a lot of coaching here, and cut me off if you want to. Porn is not the problem. Your inability to self-regulate yourself in certain moments is why you're seeking out porn as an escape. You even said, I didn't get what I want, so I got to escape this. Well,
right.
Figure out a life where you are going to get what you want. That would be a great thing. But I think where it actually needs to start is define what living without porn actually means to you. What can life potentially look like? This is a part of our program. We walk these guys through an exercise in week 2 where we have them cast a massive vision for their life without pornography. So probably start with figuring out, where is porn actually negatively impacting your life? Yeah, it's taking your attention, but no, get real clear. How's it impacting your relationships? How's it impacting your faith? How's it impacting your health and your fitness? How's it impacting your finances? How's it impacting your ability to show up and be a great dad? So get real clear on that. And don't take it easy on yourself. Once again, this shouldn't create any more shame, because you probably already have all that, but you got to get clear on what the impact has been, because you can only change something if you know what needs to be changed. So start by identifying where the negative impact has been, and then get super clear on, what can my life potentially be? What type of father can I be? What type of Christian leader can I be? What type of manager? What type of business owner? What type of fitness person can I be? Get hyper clear and focused on what your life can potentially be, and use that as the guidepost for how you make decisions on a daily basis. And that in of itself should be a good starting point to begin to build the discipline. But if you don't know where it is you're trying to go, you're easily going to give into the pleasure, right? Like, something is going to take you off thing because you don't have an aim. You don't have a guiding light on how you're trying to dictate and make decisions in your life. So start from there. Start from getting clear on the negative impact, and then painting a very, very crystal clear picture of what life can be like without pornography. And then make it your goal every single day to work towards that life.